Here's an excerpt from Monday night's live stream. All right, Super Chat. Tom, very kind of you for your shout out to Weathering with AJ's channel. Thank you, and thank you, chat. There you go. All right. Does that count as a Super Chat right there? Did you put in Super Chat? I'll count that as a Super Chat. Let's count that as a Super Chat right there, Frank. I'll put that in instead of, for you becoming the executive producer. There you go. All right. Peace out all. Okay, so I got a couple of things in here. I got a couple of videos. Let me do this last one first because I love this one. I showed this to Debbie earlier, and she got a kick out of it. Now, if you remember, some time ago, actually it was over 2 months ago, I showed you these red Solo cups that somebody had done a magnificent job of a DIY project, gluing them to candle holders to make a wine goblet or something, a drink, a brandy sniffer, or a beer cup with handles on it. Who knows what you might want to call it. But that was 2 months ago. So let me put this up here because we went back to that same store last week. We go to thrift stores all the time. And every once in a while, you run into a unique item. Sometimes there are DIY crafters that craft the most unusual things. And this is what this story is about right here. About 2 months ago, we went to the thrift store, the Care Center in Lake Wells, and we saw this. Now, isn't that amazing? The craftsmanship involved in this, taking a red Solo cup and gluing it to a candle holder to make a wine goblet or whatever you want to call it. Well, just recently we went back. Now this is a little bit over 2 months, and they were still there. So watch this. After 2 months, it was still there. These are still here on the shelf. $1 a piece. No takers yet. All right. Craftsmanship at its finest. Drink up. Red Solo cup. I fill you up. But anyway, I would like to show my gratitude for the red Solo cup. Okay. Red Solo cup. I fill you up. Let's have a party. Let's have a party. Now, you all know that song. If you don't, it's by Toby Keith. Now, Red Solo cup is the best receptacle for barbecues, tailgates, fairs, and festivals. And you, sir, do not have a pair of testicles if you prefer drinking from a glass. Ruh! Hey, Red Solo cup is cheap and disposable. In 14 years, they are decomposable. And unlike my home, they are not foreclosable. Freddie Mac, you can kiss my ass. Yeah, Red Solo cup. There you go. I fill you up. Let's have a party. Let's have a party. Oh, I love you, Red Solo cup. I lift you up. Proceed to party. Yeah, there you go. Now, the best part is, now I've seen you in blue and I've seen you in yellow, but Only you, Red, will do for this fellow, 'cause you are the abbot into my Costello, and you are the fruit to my loom. Roo! More than amazing, you're more than plastic. And believe me that I'm not a least bit sarcastic. But when I look at you and say, Red Solo Cup, you're not just a cup. No, no, God, no. You're my friend, lifelong friend. Thank you for being my friend. Red Solo Cup, I fill you up. Let's have a party. Let's have a party. I love you, Red Solo Cup. I lift you up. Proceed the party. Proceed the party. Yeah. There you go. I got my Red Solo Cup here filled up with my favorite beverage. All right. Here we go. Let's have a party. Yeah. Bernard C. said, man, did we have a lot of solos last week? 30-gallon margarita. Oh, my goodness. 4 kegs of beer and a full bar Fuzzy Days did follow. I can imagine. Should have made that your short. Well, unfortunately, shorts are 60 seconds or left, but that was 4 minutes long. I'll have to do something else with that. Maybe I'll put that on Rumble or something like that. Hey, Adam, how you do? I'm here, but off to bed in a few. Well, thanks for stopping by. Solo cups and beer pong. There you go. Hey, Tom must have gotten into the brown liquor. Yeah, that's for sure. Heath, you just missed everything. Am I on time for the Q&A? Hello, model citizens. Hello, at Tom's Trains and Things. Hello, Heath. You missed everything. I'm not starting over. No way am I starting over. But maybe I can put this up here because I know Chasco's in here. The module cam. And would you know it, the trains aren't right there. I should have timed it a little bit better when it's coming around. Here it comes. Say, that is the question. Oh no, Heath. All right, so we got it coming from both directions. There we go. Tom's going America Got Talent. Okay, back to work at 5:30. Oh man, that's early. So there is the train. Okay, now let me put this other one up here. You know I have to put the train cam up here as soon as that one goes by. And there is the train cam. You got a quad view of the layout. There you go. All right, so we have to have some music to go along with these trains right here. So let's put some blues in here. Where are we at with the blues? Huh? Keep the home fire burning. All right, so. Yeah, Artie says, stop using rude words like that. Yeah, quit talking about work. Down in Louisiana, I still haven't come home. You know what? I still have to get the cows. But in right behind me, in the stock car, I have some cattle in there. Where did you put the Airstream you picked up at the show? I think it's on a shelf yet. I haven't put it up on. I've been lazy. It's not up there yet. It's going up there pretty soon. It's going to go over. Let me see if I can find it here. Right behind, probably right where the camera is sitting. You probably won't be able to see it. I'll have to move the camera out of the way so you'll be able to see the Airstream. Or maybe I could put it up on that hill right over, right by that fence. So. Okay, you're excused. I work with trains, so it's fun mostly. There you go. Yeah, the Airstream will be probably going up there pretty soon. But there is the train cam. This is just a portion of the Monday night live stream. Make sure you tune in every Monday night at 8 p.m. on Tom's Trains and Things for more live streams so you can participate in the chat. See you there.